You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all this curious, a bit confusing name. I actually quite love this name. The origin is Welsh. It means spirit or life or purity, and I believe it's also used in other Gaelic or Gaelic languages. It means soul. Enid is the pronunciation in Welsh and also in English, not Enid or Enid. No, it's generally pronounced Enid. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.